Hello, we're going to take a look at your MT2 LT8 affirmation. On this question, I'm wondering if you just miscounted, because you want to find the slope of the line. So if we look at how much does it go up? Well, it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4. I think he miscounted that part. And then it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the slope is going to be 4/5. You had 1. Here's a question I really need to see you work on. There isn't anything correct about this question. First off, to find the slope between 2 points, we use our formula. y2 minus y1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If we look at line 1 here, here's x and y, x and y. What you call the first point and the second point is relative. I'm going to call the second point 8, 0 on this one, because it comes second. So I'm going to say 0 minus a negative 3 all over 8 minus a negative 4. Well, when you subtract a negative, you get a positive, so we get 3 over 12. Now, that is the correct slope, 3/12. However, since you're going to compare, I think it's a lot easier if you reduce it. So this would be 1/4. So the slope of line 1 is going to be 1/4. The computer will count that wrong if you put 3/12. I would count it correct, but it'll be easier if we start doing part B. Now let's take a look at line 2 here. Switch colors on us. So now we're going to say 6 minus 2 all over negative 1 minus 0. Well, 6 minus 2 is 4. Negative 1 minus 0 is negative 1. 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. Notice those two are opposite reciprocals of each other. So that makes, in part B, that makes line 1 and 2 perpendicular. Finally, let's do line 3. So line 3 is going to be negative 7 minus a negative 4 all over 6 minus a negative 3. Well, negative 7 minus negative 4 is negative 7 plus 4, which is negative 3. And 6 minus a negative 3 is 9. So that reduces to negative 1 over 9. So notice, whoops, not 1 over 9, I'm sorry. Negative 1 over 3. So we get negative 1/3. Now, line 1 and 3, they're not the same, and they're not negative or opposite reciprocals, so they're neither. Same thing for line 2 and 3. They're not the same, and they're not opposite reciprocals. And that's it. Now, this is the work I want to see when you redo it. So do this work, model this work on a piece of paper, take a picture, and then upload it to Schoology once you do your redo.